Welcome back to Next Gen Tech and today's video, where we'll be discussing the amazing benefits of smart blinds and why you should have them in your home. Gone are the days of getting up from your bed or couch to adjust your blinds. With smart blinds, you can control the lighting and privacy in your room with just a few taps on your phone. They are not just convenient, but also energy efficient. You can program them to automatically adjust based on the time of day, weather conditions, and even your sleep schedule. This can help you save money on your energy bills and create a comfortable living environment. And for those times when you don't have your phone with you, you can even control them with voice commands using popular virtual assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. They come in a variety of colors and materials to match any home decor, and can even be integrated into smart home systems for a seamless experience. With a simple and intuitive app, you can easily manage your blinds from anywhere, at any time. You can also control multiple blinds at once, making it easy to set the perfect lighting and privacy for every room in your home. They provide the ultimate convenience, comfort, and energy efficiency. You'll be amazed at how much you'll love using them every day, and you won't be able to imagine life without them. As always, we have thoroughly reviewed multiple smart blinds on Amazon, and we have found one with possibly the best quality and features for its price. Though we deeply recommend to always do your own research before buying. Elevate your home style and functionality with just one click. Consider investing in smart blinds today by clicking the first link in the video description. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more technology-related content.